I want to jump into Howmet Aerospace. It is time to review this stock. It closed last year up over 85%, and now we're in February of 2026, and it's already up over 20%. I did a review on this company last year at the beginning of 2025 when we were reviewing 2024's top gainers, and this stock did make the list. So now fast forward to today, and it's still on the list, still thriving. So I want to go ahead, jump in, and look at the financials and see what's going on. Now, before we get started, please hit that like and subscribe button as it helps me so much to grow my channel. Thank you so much. Let's get into it. Now, first off, jumping into what Howmet Aerospace does, they're an industrial stock and they make fastening components for the aerospace industry. Now, let's pull up their financials. Now, looking on an annual basis, it looks like their revenue jumped over 11% last year. Cost of revenue is going up with their revenue, but it's going up at a lower rate, which is great, increasing their gross profit. Obviously, their gross profit would have rose with that, so it's at 24% or just under 24%. Coming down to their operating income, looks like their operating income's jumping, meaning that they're becoming a more efficient company. And holy smokes, their net income is absolutely thriving. So if you look down here, you see that in 2020, net income was 488 million, jumped to 598 million in 21, 765 in 2022, 985 million in 23, and 1.4 billion in 24. That jump is absolutely insane. And then if you look at these forecasts here, it's actually pretty astonishing. So this price action in the stock would absolutely 100% make sense. So glad we reviewed it last year. I did not buy any of this stock. I wish I did. But now I want to see if there's an opportunity to get in here somewhere. So let's go ahead and look at the chart. We've got price sitting at 250.21. And like I said, it's up over 20% for the year already. It was up over 80% last year. Some obviously nice price action, just a straight ascent. Now, with industrial stocks, you'll typically see the price action not increasing as much as this, and you'll have a higher dividend. This company actually has a lower dividend and higher price action, which is good. And my presumption is that in the coming decades, it's going to start to change positions where you're going to have a higher dividend and lower returns on a price basis. This really could be a good option to add to your industrial sector of your portfolio. Last 2 weeks have obviously been pretty large for this stock. All right, now where can we get in? Where can we actually get in on this stock at a safe area and become a part of the action? Let's go ahead and look at the price action and jump in from the weekly candles and kind of zoom in on these daily candles and see what's going on. I think that you're going to have some sort of support level around this 205, which was the low for the year. And then maybe some support right here. You see that there's a little bit of resistance at the 226 level, and then it broke through when we had the earnings and is now hovering around that 250 mark. I don't necessarily see a strong downside potential with this stock, given the revenue and the net income. I think that a lot of people are wanting to get in on this stock right now. I'd say that you could start slowly buying into this stock, maybe buy some out of the money calls, or write some puts in the 225 to 205 mark. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe as I am growing my channel and would love the support. Now go make some money.